Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to view all the comments that were posted on Facebook. This full guide will help you navigate through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, head to the Play Store. In the search bar, type Facebook and hit enter. Step 2. Look for the white F logo on a white background. Tap on it and select Install to download the app. Step 3. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 5. Locate the gear icon next to the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner. Tap on it. Step 6. Scroll down to the Your Information section and tap on Access Your Information. Step 7. Tap on your activity across Facebook and then select Comments from the Comments and Reactions section. By following these 7 simple steps, you'll be able to view all the comments that were posted on Facebook. This feature allows you to revisit and engage with the conversations you've had on the platform. Viewing your comments is a great way to reminisce on past interactions, respond to unanswered questions, or simply catch up on conversations you may have missed. It's a fantastic tool to stay connected and engaged with your friends, family, and the wider Facebook community. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.